This Nissan Xterra boasts a gas V6 3.3-liter/201 engine powering this manual transmission. Power windows with driver side auto down, power door locks, cruise control. This Nissan Xterra features the following options: cloth seating surfaces, warning indicators incorporated, ABS, airbags, battery, parking brake on, low brake engine check, low fuel/washer fluid, oil pressure, 4x4 on, warning chimes incorporated, headlights on, key in ignition, variable intermittent windshield wipers, tubular aluminum side step rails, tubular aluminum roof rack, tonneau cargo cover, tinted windshield/front door windows, tilt steering column, storage pockets incorporated, front/rear doors, passenger seat back, passenger seat side, front console side. Visit us today. Stop by Laird Wheaton, located at 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 for a quick visit at a great vehicle.